Howling. No. Howling.
Here's the definition of howling: producing a long, loud, doleful cry or wailing sound.
Howling.
Silhouette word.
Here's the definition of silhouette: the dark shape and outline of someone or something visible against a lighter background, especially in dim light.
Silhouette.
Yes, the Wolf Films logo does feature a silhouette wolf. It shows a wolf standing on a dark ground against a dark red sky with stars, howling at a white moon. The company name is superimposed over this scene. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Visuals. The logo depicts a wolf silhouetted against a night sky. Background. The background is a dark red with a few stars, and a white moon is visible. Text. The company name Wolf Films is displayed in a blue serif font with white shadows. Howling. The wolf is shown howling at the moon. Variations. There are variations of the logo, including early versions full screen, close-up widescreen and enhanced HD versions according to the audiovisual identity database. There's also a Portuguese variant, and an uncredited version for Law and Order UK.